Alright, the day has finally come. The other guys are on the way. They'll be here in about an hour. Yep. So, Chandler was nice enough to get us a hotel for the night. Stayed in a classy Super 8 from like the 1950s.
Better than the ground.
Oh yeah, we weren't on the ground, and we got 2 showers. 2 showers.
Heck yeah.
So it was worth it. But yeah, we decided to go ahead and get a good night's sleep and take some showers before those other guys get here. That way we're ready to go when they get here. We're going to get on out of here and go to town, eat a good breakfast, and then hit the mountains. And then hopefully the next 7 days we're in ELK and just tearing down the mountains. So it's been fun so far. It's going to be even more fun when those guys get here. Yep. I think we're going to kill at least 1 more. I'm going to have the faith. I think we're going to kill 2 more. I think 2 more elk. I think we're going to kill 1 here in the next couple days, honestly. But we'll get on out of here and hit the road and meet those guys.
With a piece in my hand and bloodshot eyes, I walked to the water for a last goodbye. He begged so much, it clouded my mind. One thing's clear, the man's gotta die. But it makes right, so he said, when he held all the keys over our head. I lived in that grip, but now he'll learn at the end with the tables turned. Lord, forgive me. Take me on down the river where the guilt can't find a red-handed sinner. On where the grave can't cry out. 'Cause I done wrong down the river with a hand on a Colt and a finger on the trigger. And long before dawn they try to find me. So take me on down. Take me on down.
Yeah, shoot you. About time y'all got here. What's going on, man?
Congratulations.
Yeah, appreciate it. How was the drive?
That was long, dude. Long. It's a giant muley. Freaking huge, dude. Probably like a 200 incher for sure.
Really?
It was freaking like
Dude,
like
I bet
5x4. His fronts were freaking wide.
I bet you we saw 200 freaking mule deer last night.
Oh yeah?
Really?
On the way to where we stayed?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, so I drove the first 10 hours, and I pulled over, and he was driving. So, yeah, take a nap, dude. I'm like trying to sleep. He's like listening to podcasts, and elks bugling all freaking loud. I'm like,
Were you guys on the mountain earlier or what?
No, we stayed at a hotel last night.
Okay.
So we get a shower and stuff.
Just chilling this morning?
Yeah. No, once I killed mine, we went back in and glassed for a couple days and freaking 75 mile an hour wind or something. Like, they said down here it was sustained 55 mile an hour wind, and we were 2,000 feet higher than town.
We were snapping trees
In half.
Live trees in half.
Yeah.
Not even just blown over. It's just
Oh yeah.
That's freaking awesome.
So
I mean, it sucks, but
it's game time, baby. Killed my elk on day 1. These guys finally got here, so we're gonna get in here and get us a good breakfast, and we're gonna hit the mountain. And we're pretty sure we've got at least 2 different groups of elk, pretty well dialed in. So
I appreciate you guys staying here.
Yeah.
I know.
oh yeah.
fun.
And the cool thing about it is we got the ATV. You see the side of this truck?
That ATV should be awesome.
This is what y'all's truck would look like.
Yeah, I was like, that's pretty scratched up.
Yeah.
So,
It's like an hour of this
yeah.
up to where we're starting, and then it's 6 miles past that where we're going.
Nice.
So. All right. Well, my arm's getting tired, so we should get in here about 10 minutes and eat, and then head up the mountain. Yeah, hopefully this wind dies down. Hear them bugle. Alright, so we're here at the trucks doing a yard sale on gear. Trying to figure out what gear who's bringing. And so we're not carrying 4 water filters and freaking 3 sets of game bags and whatever else. So, getting all our gear divvied up. Maybe our packs won't be quite so heavy. Feels good out here today. Be perfect hiking weather. What you think?
Ready to get another elk on the ground?
Yeah. 2 more.
Kill soon.
Yeah, 2 more. 2 more elk. I think we're gonna get one down this afternoon.
Yeah.
It's a good chance. I think. I mean, we might get back there and not see an elk, but I'm shoot high.
Might not see it.
Yeah. All right, we have officially started the second leg of the hunt. Time to kill 2 elk, boys. Let's go ahead and set up some ground rules. Once you see this spot doesn't leave the 4 of us. Nobody else is to know about this place. So far we haven't talked to anybody that's been here. Well, I know there have been, but they just probably ain't telling us.
Like about 10,000 feet.
Not bad. Better than 20,000.
Yeah, something like that. Well, we're about like 3.3 miles in right now, and only thing that's kind of worrying us is there's a bunch of horse tracks here on this road, and we're not seeing any horse tracks coming out. It's only going in, so we're kind of hoping we don't get to our spot and realize there's 3 or 4 horses up there. Kind of hoping all they're doing is just clearing roads for when they come back in here later in the season, but we'll see. We're working our way back. We're making good time. It's perfect weather out here. And I guess by now we're about 4 hours away from killing a bull, according to Chandler. So, dude, if that happens, I'm telling you, this is like just the meant to be trip. Like
Another 4 hours and we're hiking back out.
Yeah. Oh man.
That's fun, man. It's gonna be cold enough, man. Might as well just let the meat rest.
Yeah, if we
overnight.
kill one this evening, we're gonna skin it out, camp, eat some back straps,
Yeah.
and pack out in the morning.
I mean, we got the seasoning. So
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And maybe even kill another one in the morning.
Yeah. Hey. You never know.
Turn the camera off.
You got it, Ben. Come on.
What are you looking at?
pushing. Almost there.
Do it for the gram.
First backpack hunt.
Yep. Kick your butt.
It's getting there, just about. But
It kicks our butt every year we come out here for the first couple days.
like we said, once you acclimate,
Oh yeah.
get some good energy, some good sleep. Hear that first bugle. Good? Yeah.
And you can see that tree line.
Alright, so let me give you a tour of camp. First spot you come to will be my tent. Then you got Chandler up here on the hill. Ben copying me back here behind me. Then you got Joseph over here with the cool tent. He's over here. He's over there in the cool kid section.
Gotta go Indian style, man.
Dude, you really can't beat these floorless shelters for weight, but I'm gonna tell you right now, that 1% of the time when you got a 75-mile-an-hour wind blowing, it sure would have been nice to have a floor in my tent. Alright, so let me give you an update. So we sat here, Chandler and I went on up to the very top, almost, and glassed and saw 7 elk on another ridge, and 1 mule deer doe on this side, and Ben and Joseph went on this side, or a little bit farther down the ridge, and they ended up glassing up, what'd y'all say, 5 mule deer bucks? 5 nice bucks.
Shooters.
Yeah.
One's freaking toad.
Yeah, so we're over here scouting for elk, and they're over here scouting for my mule deer hunt in October. But we didn't end up seeing elk on the side we wanted to, but we're still going to press on with our plan for in the morning and try to see if we can locate some over here on this side. We're going to go ahead and get us some good food in our bellies, and Ben and Joseph are going to sack out here and pretty quick, I think. I think they're struggling. They're pretty tired.
I'm already asleep, dude.
But yep. So that's kind of the end of. I wouldn't even really consider that day one. That's like kind of like the hike.
Day?
Yeah, like a half a day. So yeah. So I think we're still standing good. Chandler's saying 4 hours. What did you say? 4 hours or 5 hours?
I'm saying 5 hours.
So 5 hours. What are you saying?
For what?
Killing one.
8 o'clock tomorrow.
8 a.m. What you say, Ben?
I say 8:45.
Tomorrow morning?
Between 8:30 and 9.
I'm gonna go out on a limb, and I'm gonna say midday. I'm gonna say 11:30. We'll see who's right in the morning. But either way, I think we're gonna kill tomorrow.
If I had to bet, I'd probably put afternoon.
Alright, we're gonna get to eat. Alright guys, so Ben and Joseph finally made it. Day 8. I'm pumped for you to watch these two. They are funny. So let me give you a little backstory on all 4 of us. Chandler and I were stationed in Charlotte together. Chandler now lives in Montana. Ben and I were in basic training together, and him and his brother Joseph are both in the military in Arizona, and I'm still in the military in Charlotte. So we've all served together, so it's just a big group of military guys out here, so you can only imagine some of the things that are said, most of which I cannot put on YouTube. I wish I could, and I wish it wouldn't offend people, because some of the things that were said are hilarious, but I try to keep my channel as clean as possible, so I try to cut out all the cussing, anything like that. I just want to keep this an open avenue where everybody, the kids, everybody can watch this stuff. So As far as I can tell, I've censored everything. I hope nothing slipped through the cracks. If it did, I apologize. But anyway, day 8, we got back into this spot. We went back in to where Chandler and I camped whenever that major storm came through on day 4. We're pumped to get out there. Of course, anxiety and expectations are high because this is their first day of the hunt. This is day 8 for Chandler and I. So anyway, we tried to get into bed a little earlier that night. We had put in a long day. I will say this, it doesn't matter how good a shape you're in. Ben and Joseph both are in excellent shape. 10,000 feet is hard on your body, especially when you're backpacking in with a backpack full of gear loaded for 4 or 5 days. So Ben and Joseph took it. It was a little bit of a toll on those guys running right in there like we did, but we tried to hump it in there and get in there super quick because we were running out of daylight. We made it just in time to set up camp. These guys ended up glassing up some big old mule deer, and I thought they had set me up for October. I'm not going to spoil that one because there is going to be a series coming out on it. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to live your life to the fullest and use your passions to bless others. We'll see you on day 9.